In this video, I will show you how to resolve the frustrating Gemini "something went wrong, please try again" error with code 1081. This specific error typically pops up when there is a glitch between your browser and Google servers or a temporary issue with your account session. To start, the easiest fix is to refresh your web page or restart the app because this often clears minor connectivity hurdles. If that does not work, you should check your internet connection and ensure your VPN is turned off, since Gemini is region restricted and could block your access if it detects an unusual IP address. Another effective step is clearing your browser cache and cookies, as old data often causes conflicts with new updates on the site. Simply go to your browser settings, find privacy, and clear your recent history. If you are using the mobile app, try clearing the app cache in your phone settings or checking for a pending update in the store. Sometimes being signed into multiple Google accounts can confuse the system, so try signing out and logging back into only the primary account you use for Gemini. If all else fails, wait for a few minutes before trying again because the error might be on Google's end during high traffic periods.